The question says write structures of the following compounds. You can see there are 5 compounds given here. Let's write the structure one by one. First one we have it says 2-chloro 3-methyl pentane. Pentane is the parent chain. Okay, means there are 5 carbon we have pentane. First, second, third, fourth, and this is the fifth is there. Okay, then it says 2-chloro first, second, attach Cl to the second carbon. Then it says 3-methyl first, second, third to the third carbon attach methyl group. Okay, now we can attach hydrogen to satisfy the valency of carbon. 3 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen, 3 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen, 3 hydrogen, done. Okay, 2-chloro 3-methyl pentane. Okay, move on to the next one. Second one we have 1-chloro 4-ethyl cyclohexane. This is the parent chain we have, cyclohexane. This is what we have, cyclohexane. Okay, cyclic ring is there. It says 1-chloro attach Cl, cyclohexane. Okay, 1-chloro, and 4-methyl first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. This is the fourth carbon and attach ethyl group. This is what, C2H5 is there. Done. 1-chloro 4-ethyl cyclohexane. Okay, move on to the next one. Next one is quite interesting because you can see it says 4-tert-butyl is there, tert-butyl, and 3-iodoheptane. Heptane is the parent chain. How many carbon? 7 carbon are there. Okay, so we have the third one. First carbon, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and it is 7 is there. Then, and it says 3-iodo first, second, third attach iodine to the third carbon. Then it says 4-tert-butyl. Butyl in the sense how many carbon are there? 4 carbon are there. And tert-butyl in the sense tertiary carbon in the butyl is attached to the parent chain. Okay, to the fourth carbon of the parent chain. It says tert-butyl means, tert means tertiary. Tertiary carbon present in the butyl group is attached to the fourth carbon in the parent chain. Okay, this is the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, this is the fourth carbon. Okay, so I can do one thing, I attach this group this side. We do not keep the groups, these groups same side, so that they should not have the repulsion. Okay, we have 4-tert-butyl. In butyl how many carbon are there? 4 carbon are there. So we have to do the structure of this tert-butyl so that we can introduce a tertiary carbon. You can see tertiary carbon in there. This is C, and this is C is there. Okay, so you can see this is tert-butyl. This is tertiary carbon. This tertiary carbon is connected to the fourth carbon of this parent chain. We can mention this is C, and it is C, it is C, and it is C. Okay, now we can attach hydrogen to satisfy the valency of carbon. It is H3, H2, it is H2, H. We have H, and that is correct, and it is H2, it is H3 is there, H3, it is H3, we have H3, this carbon is quaternary carbon. Okay, structure is ready. Be careful, tertiary butyl means tertiary carbon in the butyl group. Secondary butyl means secondary carbon in the butyl group. Anyway, we have the next question. You can see 4 secondary butyl. Okay, very interesting question. Anyway, first of all, we complete fourth one. We have the fourth one. It says 1,4-dibromo but2ene is there. This is the parent chain. But2ene. But in the sense how many carbon? 4 carbon are there. And 2-ene to the second carbon double bond is attached. Symmetrical alkane. But2ene symmetrical alkane. But it says 1,4-dibromo. This is the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. This is the fourth carbon. So you can see dibromo, Br are attached at the first carbon as well as fourth carbon. So we can attach this is Br is there, and this is what we have, Br is there. Okay, satisfy the valency. This is H2, and this is H. This is H, and this is H2 is there. Okay. 1,4-dibromo but2ene. The structure is ready. Okay. Now move on to the fifth one. We have the fifth one. 1-bromo 4 secondary butyl. You can see very interesting question. 4 secondary butyl in the sense secondary carbon in the butyl group. 2 methyl benzene ring is there. Okay, let's have the benzene ring. This is the benzene ring is there. Next, 1 bromo attach BRs. This is the 1 bromo. 4 secondary 4 secondary butyl. You can see in butyl how many carbon are there? 4 carbon. So you can see first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon is there. Okay, 1 2 3 4. So this is primary carbon, this is also primary carbon, but this is second degree carbon, this is also second degree carbon is there. So it says that secondary butyl, you can see any of these carbon you can attach to the benzene ring to the fourth position. Okay, secondary butyl, if the secondary butyl secondary carbon in the butyl group is connected to the parent chain. So you can see this is the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, this is the fourth carbon. So here we have, you can see I attach, let's say this one. So we got this one, and then we get this one. Okay, so this is the secondary carbon of the butyl group. This is the butyl group connected to the fourth carbon in the benzene ring. 1 2 3 4. Further it says 2 methyl. This is the 2 methyl, so we can attach CH3 is there. Done, completed. Okay, if you want to mention here, this is what it will have: 1 hydrogen, it will have 3 hydrogen, this will have 2 hydrogen. Okay, it will have 3 hydrogen, done. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.